The main advantages of the coupe are the enthusiastic views of others and sporty characteristics. According to the canons, the silhouette should be squat, the engine is powerful, and the interior is a little cramped. Toyota Celica is a typical representative of this class, but with features characteristic of more soft and friendly cars. With all the swiftness and sportiness of forms, the current Celica is more democratic than its predecessor. The model has a long history. The first generation started back in 1970, and since 1999 the seventh has been produced. It no longer has a modification with the 2-liter engine with a capacity of 242 horsepower, a maximum speed of 240 km/h and acceleration to 100 km/h in 6.1s. The engine displacement of the 7th Celica is rather modest, 1.8 liters, power, 143 or 192 horsepower, and maximum speed, over 200. Manual transmissions, 5 or 6-speed, are more common on European cars. Right-hand drive, as a rule, with the hydromechanical automatic. The interior is emphatically sporty. A high tunnel between the passenger and the driver, both seats with lateral support and integrated head restraints, bright instrument dials, rather modest trim. Approaching the car, you involuntarily prepare for an acrobatic landing exercise, blood-thumping acceleration during acceleration, shaking on every bump and mediocre visibility. But it's more convenient to get behind the wheel than you expect, although you have to sit down on the floor. For a person of average height and modest build, this is not difficult. It will be more difficult for a tall and dense person. Seat adjustments allow you to sit comfortably with a height of up to 180 centimeters. 4 people can fit in the 2+2 cabin, but without any hope of comfort. Visibility is good thanks to the relatively high side windows, well-placed pillars, and fairly large mirrors. High feet, which makes it difficult to assess the situation behind, is typical for many modern cars. The first kilometers behind the wheel of a 143 horsepower Celica cause mixed feelings. The quiet rumbling of the engine, easy, but not cannon-like acceleration, unexpectedly energy-intensive suspension at first even, upsets. Where is the real sports discomfort? He is not. The Celica will not disappoint with acceleration and handling, but still it is designed for daily comfortable driving on ordinary roads. A more powerful 192 horsepower version with a manual transmission is able to leave behind so many rivals. But it's not a Ferrari either, just a pretty, sleek, fast car.